Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hola, bien, gracias a Dios. ¿Y tú?
¿Todo bien? Gracias a Dios. ¿Cómo está Cali? ¿Bien?
Bien, súper bien.
Estamos preguntando para todo el mundo mirando este video. ¿Ellos deben visitar Cali?
Sí, deben visitar Cali, es una ciudad muy linda, muy caliente, muy chévere.
Gente amable.
Sí, señor.
Ellos deben venir aquí a comprar de ti.
Sí.
Ok, gente, ya tú sabes. Cali, Cali caliente. Ven para acá. Chao.
Chao, bye.
And we starting it like that. Got you guys a nice little intro. Lady was welcoming you to her country. So as always, please subscribe to my videos. Hit the like button. It doesn't cost you anything, and it does help my channel. So welcome to Cali. This is a nice little hangout spot. I stumbled in at night. Everybody hanging out here, and you know, it's like this is one of those places that could be dangerous because it's like no law enforcement around, but in the meantime it's a really cool place and you meet really cool people, so I kind of gravitated to this place. Come around this corner and let you guys check it out. Street food and drinking, motorcycles, music. I feel just a block party every night. I'm staying up the block from this little square area, and every time I come by at night, everybody's always out here. So it's like a block party every day. It's pretty cool actually. And the intro that I made, the lady that helped me out with that from the store, she's on this block against the building right here. I've been here for about a month and a half, and just the more I walk around, the more people I meet, I feel like I'm in the Caribbean. This has a very Caribbean-y feel, which is a good thing, so it's worth coming to. Obviously, it has its places a little dangerous, so just be careful where you walk and what time, what area you're in. But if you've been to the Caribbean and you enjoy it, when you come to Cali, you're going to see similarities. You're going to feel things are similar.
Me gusta esto, social justice.
Hey guys, so this is another place worth checking out. It's a cultural center open to the public about social justice, crime, and people just uplifting their environments. It's worth going to. I couldn't go inside because they were closing obviously, but it's a cool spot worth going to. So when you come to Cali, the first thing that's going to stand out is that it's hot. It's hot here. And regardless of what the temperature says, the real feel is always going to be more than what it says it is. After being here for a while, I started thinking to myself, man, do I really want to be here? But trying to get used to it. Just walk around with a water bottle, you'll be fine. So that's the first thing, that it's hot. And the second thing I notice is that it's pretty diverse here. So you're gonna see all kinds of people, white, black, indigenous. And it's more diverse. Like I noticed in other places, it's not as, it's diverse, but not, it's separated by like neighborhoods, or here I feel like they're more integrated into the community. In the grocery stores, in the supermarkets, or the malls, they're more integrated. And the other thing is that Cali is known, for those that don't know, is that it's the salsa capital of Colombia, which is true. Salsa is popular, but also rock and roll is popular here. Spanish hip hop is popular here. Music is popular here. Like if you just enjoy music, I would say Cali's the place. I would say salsa's 1, rock is 2, and then you get a lot of other things. But people like music. And the other thing I would say, I felt pretty safe here. So I walk around with this camera and people will look, but they haven't really stared too much. I felt pretty comfortable here, more comfortable than what I thought it would be. If you look at the statistics though, Cali is actually a pretty dangerous city compared to other cities when you account for population. What else? Food. Food is pretty good here. Food, if people like more seasoning and more flavor, I would definitely say Cali's food. They put the drinks a little stronger, the food is, it tastes better. And the last but not least is the women. I gotta say, Cali women are beautiful. There's a saying, Cali has curves, and it's very true. I think a lot of that has to do with the mixing of different races. But I would say, just from walking around, I would say it's just beautiful women just all around. So that title is well deserved. But I would say overall I am enjoying it. I'm enjoying it. When I first got here it was the heat, but it's a nice city. For me, this is the good life. My heart is always in good food, good restaurants.
I usually don't appear in my own videos, but I love Cali. Pass by, the food's great, and it's fairly inexpensive. Women are beautiful, but it's hot, and it's hot, and it's very diverse. I would recommend it's worth the trip.
I want to pass by the supermarket, show you some prices. I was buying some food. I decided, well, let me film some prices of some of the important stuff for those that are interested. You can do the conversions, pause the video and do the conversions if you so choose. Alright guys, so I'm just rambling now, but this is me going back to Medellin, wrapping it up. This is the lounge. Beautiful lounge. Pretty chill, relax, some good place for some snacks. Actually, let me correct myself. This lounge is not the Cali lounge, this is the Medellin lounge. My apologies. This is when I got back to Medellin and I was taking a connecting flight to Bogota. And I stopped at this lounge. They actually make food here. It's not just snacks, it's food. So it's definitely worth stopping by if you're in here. This is where you would find me. If you're in the Medellin lounge, this is where I'm at. Okay guys, we're getting to the end of the video. So as always, I will ask you guys to like, share, subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, it supports my video, and I have a lot of good content coming, okay? So I'll see you guys in the next one.